In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Notion using your email. Notion is a versatile tool that allows you to organize your notes, tasks, and projects all in one place. Signing up is simple, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step, ensuring that it's as seamless a process as possible. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Notion. The first result will likely be the Notion website or a direct link to their features and templates. Click on the link that invites you to explore templates for any project. This will lead you to Notion's homepage, where you'll see a variety of templates that could inspire you for your future projects. Once you're on the homepage, look around until you find the Try It Free button. This button is your gateway to creating a free Notion account, so go ahead and click on it. Notion offers wonderful functionalities, and trying it without any cost is a great incentive to explore and see how it fits into your workflow. Next, you'll encounter a page asking you to sign up. At this stage, Notion provides you with options. You can either sign up using your work email or choose to use your Google account for quicker access. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're focusing on signing up with an email. An important tip here is that if you often switch between personal and professional projects, using a work email might help keep things organized. However, it's entirely up to you what feels most comfortable and convenient. Upon entering your email, Notion will guide you through the process, which might involve verifying your email address. Ensure that you have access to the email account you're using, as you'll need to confirm your registration through a link sent to your inbox. Check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it immediately, as sometimes these verification emails can mistakenly end up there. Finally, once you've verified your email, you'll be provided access to your new Notion account. Typically, you'll receive a notification confirming your successful sign-up. At this point, feel free to explore the platform, starting by customizing your workspace to better suit your needs. You can utilize templates, create new pages, and organize your projects as you see fit. And there you have it. You've successfully signed up for Notion using your email. Feel free to dive in and start organizing your life or work projects. Whether you're handling personal tasks or managing a team, Notion is equipped to help you streamline your process. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore more features and discover ways to maximize the potential of this powerful tool. Thanks for watching and happy creating with Notion.